In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a 1" by 1" and a 2" by 2" picture in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. To get started, let's insert the image that we wish to use into the Word document. Click Insert, click Pictures, and then I'm going to select mine from this device. Then select your image and click Insert. Once the image is in your document, select it, click Picture Format, and then click on the downward arrow underneath Crop. From here, click Aspect Ratio, and underneath Square, we're going to click on 1 by 1. With the image selected, you'll notice that there are some black outlines around the outline of the image. These are for cropping. So our objective now is to make sure that our image lines up nicely within our square. If it doesn't, for example, I want this shoulder to come out more to the left, I'm going to grab the dial up here and just stretch it out until I think it's about equal like that. Then once you're happy, just select out of it and it will save automatically within that 1 by 1 ratio crop. Now that we're satisfied with how we've cropped it, we're now going to add a thin border around it. Select it once, click Picture Format, and then select on the downward arrow next to Picture Border, and then select black. From there, go to Weight and click on 1/4 point. With our image now fully customized, we're ready to convert it to a 2" by 2" picture. Select it once, click Picture Format, then where it says height 6.27 inches, we're going to change that to 2. The great thing is because we've locked in an aspect ratio of 1 by 1, it will also do the same for width. Now we've got an image that's 2 by 2. I know this because it says 0 here, 1" and then 2 inches. One thing I advise you to do next is make sure it's selected, click Position, and then select on top left. This just means I can move my image freely across my Word document. From here, I'm going to start to duplicate my image. Select it once and press Ctrl D. Then you can just drag it and snap it in place. If your images aren't snapping, that's fine. Click on an image, click Picture Format, then click on a line and go to the bottom where it says Grid Settings. From here, make sure it's ticked next to Snap Objects to Other Objects. In this case, these images are what Word referred to as objects. Click OK. Now that we've got two 2 by 2" pictures, we're ready to move on to create our 1 by 1" pictures. Select one and press Ctrl D to duplicate, and then just tuck it underneath. From here, keep it selected, click Picture Format, and we're going to change that 2 to a 1. Now we've got it underneath. From here, select it, press Ctrl D to snap it in place, and then we can do exactly the same all the way under. If you want a faster way to now duplicate those 4 images, select one, hold Control, and then proceed to select the rest. From here, press Ctrl D. Then simply snap it underneath. So in a matter of seconds, we've created 2 by 2" pictures and 8 1 by 1" pictures. From here, we've got 2 options. We can print or we can save each individual image as a picture. For example, let's take this image. If I select and right click, I can save as a picture. When you save it, it will open up as 194 pixels by 194 pixels. This is roughly equivalent or approximate to 2" by 2". However, when you print it, it will of course come out exactly as you place it. So images that are printed out as 2 by 2 will also be 2 by 2. Some advice for you would be to ensure you leave some space between your images. This makes cutting them out much easier. If this video has helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about how to customize images to make ID cards, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.